All right, folks. Here we are on round 3. This will be our 3rd time out. Where's our little fork stick?
I think it's in the back.
Back of the truck.
Yeah.
Here it is. I got it right here.
Oh, all right.
All right, guys. So we just got here and we're gonna put the rigging up. So we're gonna rig our sailboat. So I've already got the trolling motor on, and we're about to put the mast up, and then we'll put the boom on, get all our ropes situated, and then we'll put our sails up, and then we'll put it in the water. So stay tuned here.
Hi. I'm the first mate.
All right.
And cameraman.
All right, folks. We're sailing. All right, ready? All right, we're gonna tack. Let's tack. We've got about 2 knots of wind out here today. We're doing the best we can with what we got here. So we're not going fast, but we're getting there. Oh yeah, there's a little gust. We need a flag or something. how much of that you guys saw, but we made it to the island again. This is their third time coming over here, so rope swings, the water level's up today for sure. And anyway, there's my first mate. So he's been working the head sail today, doing a great job. Lazy sheet, working sheet, he's got it down pat. So a lot more boat traffic out today. It's warming up. So anyway, we'll get ready to go here in just a minute, and I'll video us on the way back. See ya. All right, we just pushed off from the little island. We're sailing, and there's about half a knot of wind. It's not much going on out here today. right, we made it back. I don't know if you caught any of that, but the wind is starting to pick up a little bit, and it was actually pretty good sailing. You can see it blowing here in the parking lot. So anyway, another successful trip. We're learning more every time. I think today was the best one yet.